Now, how do you turn any iPhone without night mode from this to this? Follow me. Now, for this hack, you would need to purchase an app on the App Store and for $4.99 US dollars. And this would work on the iPhone XR, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone SE, down the road that does not support the night mode. So go ahead and pull up the App Store on your iPhone and type in Neuralcam, and it should pop up several apps on the search. Make sure you are actually getting the correct one, and by that I mean the one right here, the Neuralcam, or it has the score of 4.4 rating. And go ahead and install it. Of course, I already purchased this app, so you would need to purchase it accordingly. When you purchase it, go ahead and install it. And once it installed, that is it. This is the app right here that is actually running right now. And here are sample pictures that I have taken with the iPhone SE 2nd generation. I have actually included some sample pictures of the Pixel 6 Pro as well. So enjoy, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so. See you next time.